Ok. Let's go pour l'épisode 3 de Life is Strange. Normalement, il y a un petit flashback, je crois. Ouais, normalement, il devrait y avoir un flashback au début
In
de
the
l'épisode.
previous
Voilà.
episodes of Life is Strange.
Mostly called film Little Pieces of Time.
Because Max wants everybody to see
I'm
how
so
hip she is.
sick of people trying to control me!
Don't ever touch me again, freak! It totally makes sense. You hella saved my life.
I think it's awesome you set a tongue record on video.
You're going to be sorry someday.
And there she is. How are you doing, Max?
Hi, Joyce. I am so sorry about William. I have great memories of him.
That was his gift to us. Wonderful memories.
Let's talk about your superpower.
Hey, it's Thelma and Louise. You're my business now.
That's Rachel's bracelet. Why the fuck are you wearing her bracelet?
You want me to cut you, bitch?
Please, step back.
You're kidding. Put that down.
Please, get me out of here! Max! Nobody cares about me. Nobody. What are you doing here, Max?
Now, I know today was difficult for everybody. Miss Caulfield, why exactly were you on the route with Kate Marsh? Please, tell us everything.
What the hell is this?
Max, there was no eclipse scheduled today.
I believe you, Warren. I'll believe anything this week.
Ok, bon, c'est parti pour faire le chapitre 3. Et peut-être qu'après un peu de Rocket League, hein, je pense. Je verrai ça. Ou peut-être du Valo. J'ai l'impression que l'image est super sombre. Je vais monter. Ok, c'est parti. Alors, la théorie du chaos.
Kate!
I knew Chloe would be all over this. So I better get moving.
Ok, on va pouvoir voir un peu l'ambiance nocturne du jeu, du coup. Ça va être cool.
There's been so much going on, I almost forgot about the eclipse.
Ah non, c'est l'éclipse.
All this atmospheric action can't be a
C'est vrai, c'est vrai.
coincidence.
Donc là, c'est pendant
And
l'éclipse.
all roads are leading to my tornado vision.
Tac, tac, tac. On va nourrir le petit,
Are you
le
a
petit
hungry
lapin.
bunny? Here, nosh on this.
Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose à faire? Non, non, non. J'ai pas l'impression.
Okay, it's okay, Max. Take a breath. Get your shit together. You have time.
Ok, bon, bah let's go, on va rejoindre... On va rejoindre Chloé.
Okay, this is scary dark. Let there be...
Ah ok, j'allais dire pourquoi elle se trimballe avec une lampe torche? Non, ça va, c'est son téléphone. Tuk tuk tuk. Quelque chose à faire, je n'ai pas l'impression. C'est la chambre de Kate, ça, je pense. Ah. Dana.
Hey, Dana. How are you doing?
Better than Kate. I just can't believe she would even attempt suicide.
Ouais, on est
I
tous
think we're all
responsables.
responsible for what happened.
True. But you're the only one who went up to that roof with Kate.
J'ai eu de la chance.
I was lucky. That's all.
No, girl. That was not luck. You made a choice to save her. Like a superhero.
Then maybe it's time to catch the bad guys.
So what exactly are you saying, Max? I know Jefferson got reamed by the principal. Do you think they're involved?
Je ne suis pas encore sûr.
I'm not sure yet, but I'm on it. Weird shit is going down at Blackwell, and I'm going to find out why.
I'm getting scared now. But people here are still sneaking out tonight.
What? Like who?
Victoria bounced out of here earlier, and now you, Sherlock?
Not me. I need a break from today. Get some sleep too, Dana. I'll see you later.
Bon, bah c'est cool d'avoir parlé un peu avec Dana. Par contre, non, je pense pas que ça change quelque chose. Hein. Non, c'est juste le fait de le voir parler que. Ok.
Victoria isn't here.
Comme ça, au moins, on se
Maybe
remet
I'll
un peu
just wait
dedans.
and bide my time. Going through her shit.
Et c'est parti, on va rejoindre Chloé.
So Chloe is waiting for me in front of the main hall.
Alors, quelque chose à faire. Je crois qu'on peut le prendre en photo.
The most magical insects. Burn bright.
Non, reviens. Reviens. Mais je ne peux pas interagir avec toi, mon ami. Il doit y avoir quelque chose à faire. Je vais te prendre en photo. Ah, voilà.
Hello,
Non,
little
ah,
friend.
je me suis
Care
raté.
to join me?
Non, regarde. Photo.
Look at the lens and say nut. Gotcha.
Cool, j'ai rajouté une photo. Bon, je l'aurai jamais à 100%, hein. Faudrait que je me refasse tous les chapitres pour avoir tous les easter eggs. Mais au moins ça m'en fait un en plus. Rien. Et là il y aura rien non plus. Allez, on taille. On taille.
Wells. Oh, are you serious?
Se
I'm
cacher.
toast if he sees me.
Nobody can expel me.
Alors. On a beaucoup de messages qu'on n'avait pas lus. Pas des. Ok, désolé pour Kate, j'espère que tu vas bien, je suis flippé par l'éclipse. On va découvrir la vérité ensemble. Hello Supermax, comment va l'héroïne de Blackwell? L'héroïne est toujours sous le choc. T'es une boss mais pas d'emoji. J'ai réussi à faire suspendre mon prof préféré. Bravo Max. T'es trop la boss du bahut. Écoute, il se passe des trucs bizarres et flippants à Blackwell. Il faut qu'on rassemble les pièces du puzzle. Cool. J'ai quelque chose à te montrer. Rendez-vous devant le campus. Bouge-toi le cul et vite. Max. Attends, j'ai d'autres messages. Maman. Ma chérie, appelle-nous quand tu peux. On est fiers que tu aies réussi à sauver cette fille. On veut avoir de tes nouvelles. Pense à nous faire signe. On t'aime fort. Désolé, je t'appelle dans quelques minutes, promis. Merci de m'avoir écouté m'extasier sur tes prouesses. Le son de ta voix me manque. On est très fiers. Profite de ce moment. Dis-nous si tu veux prendre un petit break pour venir nous voir. Ok, on t'aime, Maxime. Ok. Et Warren. Je suis dans la salle. Ok, ça on l'avait déjà vu. Yo Max, je voulais juste te dire que t'as été trop génial aujourd'hui avec Kate. Je te ferai une cape de super-héros sur l'imprimante 3D du labo. Ok. Appelle-moi si t'es pas trop occupé à sauver le monde. Et tu as bien mérité un dîner en plus de notre escapade simiesque. Appelle-moi. Merci Warren. Je vais ranger ma cape ce soir. Surtout après avoir fait retirer Monsieur Jefferson du concours. Je t'appelle plus tard. Ok. Ok.
Anyway.
Donc maintenant, comment je fais pour passer? Je passe devant, normal. genre en détente, mais je vais me faire cramer si je fais ça, non? Ah bah non.
Nobody.
Voilà.
Come on, just try it.
He's lucky nobody else saw him like that. Except me.
You have to be stealthier than that. You're not supposed to be outside your dormitory at this hour. You know that.
I'm sorry, Principal Wells. I'm still tense after I thought Kate was going to jump today. I just needed some air and space to walk.
No explanations. Seeing Kate come up on that roof, then seeing her come down with you. You saved her ass. Maybe saved Blackwell. Now don't get cocky. Going back inside. You earned good dreams.
Il est complètement torché. Bon bah...
So how do I get past him to meet Chloe?
Oui, bon, allez hop. Je vais continuer à regarder cette porte le temps que je passe. Oh, c'est une jolie porte. Allez,
Max
hop,
the
hop, hop,
Ninja
hop.
strikes again.
On se casse. Je crois que je vais fermer la fenêtre. Hein. Toutes les motos du quartier qui passent en même temps. Ah putain, le truc c'est que j'ai chaud. Ok. Du coup, vous voulez que j'aille où, au parking, c'est ça? Ah non, bah elle est là.
Get it? Booyah. Like I'm a scary punk ghost.
More like a scary punk asshole. Hey, Chloe, I didn't exactly have the greatest day trying to keep my friend from jumping off the roof. I don't think I need you to prank me tonight, okay?
Sorry, but you absolutely balls to the walls did save your friend.
Kate saved herself. I couldn't even use my power. My head felt like it was being crushed. Then I had no clue what to say to her on that roof.
Don't be so modest, Rockstar. Kate is alive because of you. You obviously said the right thing, and your badass power is gonna save us all. We just need to connect the plays.
And find out who almost killed Kate. We have to stop this from happening to anybody else.
Oh yeah, and somehow stop that tornado from wiping out Arcadia Bay, right?
Théorie du chaos.
Didn't you say that it was all about chaos theory? I don't see any control over this chaos.
Oh, right. Except for your ability to, oh yeah, manipulate time and space. No biggie.
Chloe, I just feel weird about some of my decisions. Especially after I just got Mr. Jefferson in trouble.
Dude, do not even torture yourself like that. Let's focus on looking for clues, okay?
À propos de Kate.
Right. For one thing, there's too much coincidence between the people around Kate and Rachel.
Like Step Prick and Nathan Prescott?
Pas les seuls.
Not just them.
Yep. I just want to beat the shit out of those particular bros. I can still feel David's hand on my face.
And even though I don't know her, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth.
Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be. Do you think she's...
Morte.
Dead? I'm sorry. I hate even saying that, Chloe.
Not as much as I hate thinking it. Max, we have to find Rachel soon. We have to.
I promise you we will. Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Now tell me what's your secret.
Drum roll, please. I present the spare keys to Blackwell. Thank you, Step Prick.
You are such a boss, Chloe. I just don't want you to get into any more trouble.
Look at all the trouble dropping in Arcadia Bay. At this point, who gives a fuck anymore? We're in it to win it, Max. Lead the way.
I'm so glad you're my partner in crime.
As long as you're my partner in time.
Insert groan here.
you again so much for helping me put together a portfolio.
Hopefully, the rest of the class will follow your lead. I'm sorry I was distracted. As you know, it's not been a good day for Blackwell.
I know this has been an awful day, and you can talk to me anytime, Mr. Jefferson.
Mais quelle suceuse.
Thank you,
C'est une
Victoria.
dinguerie.
I'm glad it had a relatively happy ending.
I don't know what I would have done if Katie jumped.
Katie? I had no idea you two were that close. Did she?
Well, how does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
The contest will go on. I just won't be representing Blackwell at the event this year, thanks to Max, who claims I enabled Kate Marsh's trouble by merely listening to her.
I'll give you a one-word sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang out together in San Francisco, Mark?
Stick to Mr. Jefferson, Victoria. I won't be going to San Francisco, remember?
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorites. Just imagine if you picked my photo, though. We would have to spend a lot of time together. That could be fun, don't you think?
I'm going to think that you didn't say any of that.
You might as well choose me. Otherwise, I might have to tell people you offered to choose my photo for favors or something.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that undisguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase.
Ah
I
ouais.
suggest you go back to your dorm now.
Wait! I only...
Et c'est le moment de prendre une photo là.
Are you fucking kidding me? It's so stupid.
Just when I think Victoria can't get any more evil.
Shit is about to get real at Blackwell.
Let's go find out. Chloe the Keymaster.
You know it.
Ok, ok, à la recherche d'indices.
Dude, I don't know about this. We're both already in so much trouble.
You can always let me get busted like you did with the weed.
I'm serious. We're not kids anymore. We're breaking and entering.
If I have a key, how can it be breaking? I get charges for just entering.
I'm serious. We could go to jail.
Not if I'm related to the head of Blackwell Security. Stepshit will not want me in the hands of the local police. So we better find out what's in the principal's office first. You can rewind if we get caught, right? You have mad powers, Max.
But my powers didn't save Kate. Maybe I did on my own.
Come on. One more door and our work here is done.
Ok, avant de rentrer dans le bureau, je fais juste un petit tour. Tac tac tac, y a rien. Ok, y a rien à faire. Peut-être un petit easter egg quelque part. Casier de Kate, regardez, non, on peut rien y faire. Hop là, ouvrir. Tiens, il doit y avoir quelque chose ici. Ah, bah voilà, une photo. Tiens, tiens, tiens.
An A minus? All right, all right. So Dr. Max did help Warren this morning.
Ok. Rien de plus. Ok. Vas-y, on peut aller. On peut aller au bureau fouiller. Ah, c'est bon, il n'y a plus rien ici. Hop. Si. C'est le bureau de. Ouais, c'est la classe de Jefferson, ça. Et c'est pas. Il doit y avoir peut-être un petit truc quelque part. Tac, tac, tac. Non.
Victoria's cigarettes? I'm sure Mr. Jefferson is impressed. I say one stupid thing and Mr. Jefferson gets screwed. Nice going, Max. Oh, Kate. Even when you were sad, Daniel's a better illustrator than photographer. Said Mac. Victoria. That is pretty fucking sweet. How can I hate somebody that shoots like that? I feel gross even looking at Nathan's work. But he does have some style.
Ok. C'est le phare, ça.
You can never escape the lighthouse here.
Y a rien d'autre. Non. Bon, bah rien de caché ici. Let's go. Il n'y a pas d'autre porte ouvrable, non? Ah, si. Le labo. Mais c'est où j'étais, non? Ouais, non, c'est juste l'autre porte. Ok. Touc. Non. C'est là. Alors, quelque chose à fouiller. Non. On va lui parler.
That's it. What the fuck? The security officer should have the key to the principal's office.
He's hiding shit, like everybody here.
Well, now we definitely have to get this door open. Believe it or not, I know a little about lockpicking, thanks to Frank. I might as well test out my thief skill.
Go for it. We're already in this deep.
Well, you could look for the key, just in case.
Why, yes, I could.
Ok. Allez, on va chercher.
Nothing here. Dead end.
Bon, en vrai, y a pas moyen que ce soit dans ces tiroirs.
Here are the keys. None for the principal's office.
Ok, ça paraissait un peu simple. Pour moi, ça doit être par là.
No keys here.
Tiroir. On va chercher dans les tiroirs.
Nothing to see here. Desolation. No key for thee. We have to find another way in.
Guess I didn't spend enough time with Frank. But I'll use my DIY lockpick tools while you come up with a better plan.
My plan has a name. Hey, Warren, you busy? Just bubble hearth, you'll be okay. Listen, I need your physics expertise stat. Without naming names, if somebody had access to the art and science labs and wanted to construct a device that would, say, open a locked door...
Ok, on va faire une bombe.
Would you maybe kinda know how? Huh? No, I'm just asking for fun. Thanks, science guy. No. Stay. We need you as backup. Just send the text instructions now. Yes, I'm still all in to go ape with you at the drive-in. Thanks for the help.
This sucks ass. Goddamn door.
Try not to wake up everybody at Blackwell.
Sorry, Max. I got nothing. What about your plan?
Sucre, soda...
I'm gonna go put it together. Can you stay here and not get caught?
I might get on the other side of that door before you, Lupin.
The race is on. See you soon.
Alors. Sucre, canette, ruban adhésif, chlorate de sodium. Des questions, du chlorate de quoi? C'est juste une poudre qui sert à créer du dioxyde de chlore. Ah oui, tout le monde sait ça. Alors tu vas vraiment essayer, ce qui compte c'est d'essayer. Non, comme je disais, je m'incline devant tes connaissances. Ok.
Warren is such a classic nerd.
Bah,
Let's see if I
soda, c'est
can
pas
find those
compliqué.
items.
Voilà.
Release the Kraken. It's all mine anyway.
Sucre. Et
Only
après,
three more
ensuite,
items to
le
go.
reste. Tout le reste c'est dans la salle de. Dans la salle de chimie, je pense. Hein. Chlorate de sodium. Regardez.
You're an artist, damn it, not a scientist. But this is so not sodium chlorate. So, sodium chlorate is a weed killer. You'd think Warren would have told me that factoid.
Ok. Un désherbant. Donc ça doit pas être ici. Est-ce que je peux trouver du sucre ici? Ah.
Ooh, sugar.
Au moins ça. Du coup, je pense qu'il y aura rien
You're
d'autre
halfway
ici.
home, Max.
Le ruban adhésif, ça doit être dans la salle d'art, du coup. Enfin, dans la salle photo. Et alors, t'es là, t'as explosé ou quoi, Max? Toujours là, en un seul morceau, pour l'instant, je dois me concentrer à plus. Ok. Elle était où la salle photo?
This is like a scene in a horror film.
Du ruban adhésif, du ruban adhésif. T'es sûr en fait. Ok.
The tape is mine. Only one more ingredient left.
Et le désherbant. Je pense que je dois trouver une sorte de truc de bureau, enfin de ce truc de stockage de produits ménagers ou une connerie comme ça. Où est-ce qu'il y a du désherbant? Non. Bon. Alors là, dans le bureau peut-être. Non. Il n'y en a pas ici. Ah putain, fait chier. Alors, où est-ce qu'il pourrait y en avoir du coup? Là derrière. On peut pas bouger d'ici.
Max, if you can't find sodium chlorate in the science lab, give it up.
Putain, mais je suis trop con. Donc c'était dans le labo de... Ok, bah je suis débile.
Gross. I hate that
Je me disais que ça
formalin
allait être un
smell.
seul par salle. Pas du tout, bah du coup c'est là.
Here's the sodium chlorate box.
Elle va faire tomber.
You know you're clumsy, Max. Don't waste your rewind power. Use the damn chair.
Mais non, elle est devenue intelligente entre-temps. Allez, c'est parti.
Now it's time to show Chloe that Max is the bomb.
Ok.
Take it easy on the door, Chloe. Let's try this instead. Boom! Literally.
Yes! Time to blow shit up!
If you'll light the candle,
This is so cool!
get ready to haul ass.
efficace.
So fucking cool.
Oh, we are toast! Here comes the whole Arcadia Bay Fire and Police Department.
So what should we do?
Et ben on fait vite. Allez. Voilà, voilà.
If I can get this bastard open, she can't cheat with her rewind. Oh, this is bullshit. Fuck you, door.
Welcome to my domain.
You are magic. I have no clue how the hell you got in there, but you did it, sister.
The company I keep. Now, let's find what we want and beat it. My powers only go so far.
Man, I can see why the principal locks this room up. Fancy faux art crap. He must want everybody to know he has money, but no taste. How can you trust somebody who has a fucking bronze bird in his office? I'm glad I was expelled.
Yes, if only the principal had a Monet or Picasso, you'd still be at Blackwell.
Eat me. I'm gonna pilfer the papers on this ugly-ass desk. Okay, sure. It's ugly, but damn, is it a cozy chair. This is your chance to truly get all deductive and shit, Sherlock. Find us some clues about Rachel, or Kate, or Nathan. Anybody.
I'm on the case.
Alors Bomber Max, t'as fait sauter le verrou, arrête, j'avais juste envie de savoir si tu t'y connaissais en explosif et de voir ton œuvre d'art. Ok. Par contre, on pourrait pas allumer la lumière là, on voit rien. Ah. C'est mieux.
This pretty much sums up Kate. Shy and sweet. And in the wrong place. Only 2 more files to go. Wowzer. This will so not come in handy. I guess being a bully is in the Prescott DNA. Tumbleweeds.
Ok.
Look at this pile. You're not so tacky up close.
Oh, si quand même, hein. Ça reste bien moche.
That is so cool that my signature actually counted. Go, Miss Grant. I'd drink too if I was the principal of Blackwell.
Ok, la petite bouteille de scotch cachée là.
And nothing here.
Ah.
Rachel doesn't seem so troubled based on all this. But there's not much here about the police. Man, I don't blame the principal for expelling Chloe. Bad Chloe.
Alors attends, on va juste regarder. Ok. Rien d'important.
Let's nab this last file, Sherlock. Always weird. This asshole has. I think we found everything in here.
Voilà,
I should go join Chloe now.
Max, you better come check out these files. Nathan accuses Rachel of bringing drugs on campus, and my step-troll went along because he thinks Rachel was a bad influence on me. Assholes.
If David is teaming up with Nathan Prescott, that's a bad sign.
Nathan Prescott III. Ooh, he's so money. And you know the Prescotts dropped major bank to bury Nathan's real file. Look, it reads like a rap sheet. Bad grades, teacher complaints, secret probation. But I was expelled?
The Prescotts always get their money's worth. Check out that note. Open it.
It's just some crazy drawing.
It's not a drawing. Look. Rachel in the dark room. Rachel in the dark room. Over and over. That's it.
That's fucked up. What does this even mean? Nathan is truly psychotic. I know he has something to do with Rachel missing.
Whoa, listen to this. David M. always asks what's going on in my head. David M. always helps me follow those he follows. It's pretty cryptic.
No, it sounds like they formed some sort of weird team, the Super Hebros.
Jesus. David was stalking Kate, hassling me, and now we know he was all over Rachel too.
Oh, we are so going into his garage files. Plus, I'm getting a little paranoid in here. We got our info, let's bail. But maybe we shouldn't leave without a gift.
No, you are not taking the cozy chair.
Max, do your powers include mind reading? Or did you just rewind because I tried to steal the chair? Shit, I'm confused.
It's the powers of best friendship. I know how you roll. We should definitely get out of here. We pressed our luck enough.
Hello, what have we here? Holy shit! Jackpot! Cha-ching!
Wow, sir. That's a lot for the handicapped fund.
Dude, there's $5,000 here. I could pay Frank back tonight. This'll chill him out after you almost, shot him. Are you gonna make a big issue out of this? Or just rewind and take the greenbacks for yourself? I hope you do that instead of lecturing me.
Alors, laisser l'argent ou voler l'argent? Bon, il y avait quand même marqué que c'était pour un fonds pour les handicapés, donc on va rester sur le fait de faire les choses bien.
From the handicapped fund?
Ouais, voilà.
I know you need to pay Frank back, but I've got my power to protect you, right?
There's a lot of power in that horse-choking wad of cash. But yes, Moral Max is right again. I guess. Let's get the hell out of this office.
Par contre, si Frank la bute à cause de ça, ce serait un peu con.
I know that money would have helped Chloe and me.
C'est tout, il y avait un d'autre. On a tout fait, hein. Ouais. Pas de petits trucs cachés. Non. Allez, bah en route. Hop, hop, hop.
That impish look scares me.
Care for a midnight swim? The Blackwell pool is ours.
Swimming? You want to take that risk now?
It's been a cray week. You didn't let me take that money to pay off Frank, so if he pops a cap in my skull, at least allow me to have a little carefree fun for a few minutes. Splish splash?
You're right. We hella deserve it. Splish splash.
Did you actually just say hella? I think I'm a good bad influence on you.
Et bah Split Splash alors. Hein.
We're in the otter's lair.
Big fucking deal. I want that heated water.
We still have to play it cool, okay? I still go to school here.
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
Chloe is so psyched for girls' night out, so I better follow her evil plan.
Ok, bon bah c'est parti. Hein.
Boys or girls?
Allez,
Girls,
on va aller
of
côté
course.
filles.
Girls? Ooh la la. Let me
On va
check
aller
to see if the
fouiller.
pool's heated.
Ah, quoi que j'aurais peut-être pu fouiller les affaires de Nathan côté mec. On peut pas y aller quand même? Il y a un truc là-bas. Ok, on fouille ici, après on fouille à côté.
Looks like Brooke wants to go to the drive-in with Warren.
Tac, tac, tac. Rien. Pas les effacer ce truc? Ok.
A bus ticket? Was she going to run away? Like Rachel Amber?
Ok. Ça nous fait des infos en plus. Casier de Victoria. Ah.
So, Victoria's secret is selfies.
Ok.
Go fuck your... No. Jefferson said, don't confuse art with the artist. These are cool shots. Those are some musty-ass old shirts. Where does that other sock go?
Ok, c'est tout. C'est tout. Et ben c'est parti, on va de l'autre côté maintenant.
Boys or girls?
Boys, of course.
Figures. Perv. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
Allez.
I guess somebody forgot their Blackwell spirit.
Tac, tac, tac. Ok. Le casier de Nathan.
Some poor hipster lost their vape.
Warren.
Betty developed that in Jefferson's class. But why?
Pourquoi? C'est fou qu'elle se le
Zach
demande.
is really careless. Doesn't he know what happens when I'm around?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Alors, Victoria. J'ai dépensé. Ah, c'est les. Ok. C'était les messages du copain d'Anna.
No way am I touching Zach's jersey.
Ouais, tu m'étonnes.
This must be for training kids.
Ah, le casier de Nathan.
It's okay for Nathan to be hooked on these drugs, right?
Ok, c'est tout. On sait juste qu'il prend à balle de médoc. Y a rien de très intéressant du coup. Logan.
I guess I should consider this evolution.
Là, je sais que je suis un sale con, mais je tiens toujours à toi. Bisous, Logan. Mouais. 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 Alors, ce qu'elle dit.
Welcome to 1950.
Ok. Ok. Bah nickel. On a fait le tour. Petit oxygène. Il doit bien y avoir des petites photos à prendre quelque part, je pense. Ah bah là ça emmène direct au truc de meuf. Bon bah ok. Donc ça changerait rien en fait. J'avais pas besoin de rembobiner. On peut pas passer, si on peut passer. Eh ben j'ai l'impression qu'il y a rien. Ah, liste d'invités.
Looks like I'm the Vortex Club bouncer. Decisions, decisions.
On peut les modifier? Putain, on peut la modifier.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your names are not on the list. You'll have to eat shit now.
Ouais.
Just when I thought it was safe to go back in the water.
Ouais, bah c'est tout. Il a plus rien. C'est parti.
Max, try to find the light for the pool. I want to see the sharks.
Otters don't like sharks. They bite.
So do I. Hit that light.
Ok. Bah ça doit être là, hein. Je suppose.
There has to be a control panel for the lights around here.
Ah, il y a des trucs à fouiller.
Yes, we get it. Otters.
Mais il doit y avoir encore des trucs, non? Non. Non, il y a rien. Bah, piscine, hein? Ah, faut aller se changer? Comment je vais me changer? Non? Je sais pas.
Time to do or dive, Max.
Oui. Bah oui, c'est le moment de plonger, mais...
Oh, yeah, baby. Feels like a hot tub. Too bad you made me feel like the queen of assholes because I wanted that cash stash. Tell me you're not gonna stand there watching me like a zombie.
Don't you dare!
Come stop me, hippie.
Okay, you asked for it. Cowabunga!
Why, look, an otter in my water. Dun 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 dun.
You are so obvious. And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you. Otter's revenge.
Cheater.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about that.
On dirait quand même fortement qu'elles vont se choper, hein.
I wish Rachel was here. She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other.
We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related, and I want to find out for Kate's sake. She almost died today.
Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore.
Thanks, girlfriend.
You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature.
More like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
Grâce à toi.
Not that time. But that's because you were there to kickstart my power.
So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me, you would have never discovered your power, right?
C'est clair.
Absolutely. You make me feel like I know what I'm doing.
And you make me feel like I have a reason for still being in Arcadia Bay.
I hope so.
Stop being so goddamn humble. You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known.
More than Rachel Amber?
Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay? And I'm sure you have Blackwell bros all over you. Like Warren.
C'est toi la punk fatale.
You're the bro killer. Tats and Tude.
You did not just say that. Plus, I am not down with these Arcadia Bay hillbillies.
I don't blame you. Anyway, we have bigger fish to fry, right?
No worries. Once you get over yourself, you're gonna make the world bow.
As long as you're there with me.
Don't look so sad. I'm never leaving you.
Now I'm getting cold in here.
Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, Otter versus Shark style. I think I've had my pool experience for the year. Let's jet.
Let's call it a draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out. Gross. I feel like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay.
You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals.
Thanks. You would know.
Ah.
Hide!
Et ça y est, c'est le moment. Où on se casse.
We have to go now.
Bah t'attends quoi, ma ref? Ah oui, voilà.
Are you shitting me?
Dude, hide! Like when we were kids.
I could use my
Pourquoi se
power.
cacher?
Or just look for a hiding spot. Or both.
Where are they? Hello?
Il est où? Il est là-bas.
Hello? Anybody there? Better not try any Halloween pranks after today. I'm serious. I heard something over here. Who's here? I got a flashlight and a stick.
Est-ce qu'il va faire le tour? Non. Ok. Olé! Bon, bah nickel. Et on se
We're
casse.
so invisible.
Let's bail.
Nickel.
Wait, turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out.
Oh, this is bullshit. You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive. Crash at my place tonight.
You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives so I'll be safe? Okay.
Into the car. Get in.
Later, fuckers! Max, you rock! We are so fucking awesome!
Yes, we
Et genre, il
so
reconnaît
are.
pas la voiture de sa belle-fille. Allez, on se réveille. Allez, le petit
Always
selfie au
remember
réveil.
this moment.
Photobomb!
Photo hog. It feels like a different world from yesterday.
We left a skid mark on Blackwell last night.
Like it needs another one. I'd like to do something good for my school in Arcadia Bay. I can't even submit my photo to represent. I just don't want to be rejected.
Every great artist gets rejected before they get accepted. So you have to enter a photo.
Even though I'm pimping the school in town you want to torch?
Come on, I don't want to see Arcadia Bay burned to the shore. I just say shit like that because I've been trying to get out of here since you left, basically. If I could find Rachel, then pay Frank off, I'm still leaving to start a whole new life.
Wish we could just hang out all morning like we used to. Maybe we should get up. I have to get back to Blackwell soon.
Oh, does the schoolgirl have a test today?
I'm starting to feel like going to Blackwell every day is a test. I just need to get on my regular school schedule again.
Se lever, on va éteindre l'autoradio. Je me suis déjà fait niquer sur
Okay,
l'épisode
I need to get dressed
d'avant.
now.
Allez.
I
Ah
love
non, on
this
peut pas le
song.
couper. On peut pas le couper. Bla 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 bla.
I love this morning light. It's so peaceful.
Wouldn't it be wicked if we could just hang out here forever like when we were kids?
too easy. And there's too much shit going on now.
Oh, okay, queen of the world. I'll try not to remind you of when we were besties anymore. Rachel loved hanging out with me here. She would have understood. Forget it.
Oh, je l'ai vexé. Allez. C'est bon, j'ai rien dit.
I love this morning.
Wouldn't it be wicked if...
Comme Rachel.
Yep. I bet you and Rachel liked hanging out here too.
You know it. She reminded me of you when we faked sleep so our parents wouldn't make us get up too early Saturday morning.
Did you guys have a lot of sleepovers?
As many as possible. But it was more fun at her place. Step Commando wanted us up at the ass crack of dawn.
Par contre, il y avait les gaines à sa droite. Ouais. Non, on peut rien en
Frank
faire.
might
Hein.
think twice about messing with Chloe now, but if David finds out, shitstorm.
Allez, s'habiller.
Ugh. Still reeks like a chlorine factory.
See if you can find a suitable outfit in my fashion hole.
I don't think I'll be moshing today.
Quoi?
I don't think I'll be...
Ah, on peut pas l'habiller avec ça? Oh.
Okay. Time for some Chloe cosplay.
Hey, there you go. Rachel left a bunch of her clothes with me. She's your size.
But not quite my style.
Max, you don't have a style yet. At least give it a try. You can always rewind back to your chlorine brand t-shirt and generic jeans.
You suck. I like my shirt and jeans. But it would be cool to try on Rachel's clothes just to see if they fit.
Stop second-guessing yourself, Max. Put this on and let your inner punk rock girl come out. You can afford to take chances whenever and whatever you want to try. For example, I dare you to kiss me.
What?
Tiens,
I double dare
tiens.
you. Kiss me now.
Eh ben, vas-y. Mais c'était sûr en fait.
Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action.
You're such a dork. Oh man, that was priceless when I kissed Chloe. She didn't think I would.
Looking sick, Max? A couple tats, some piercings, and we'll make a thrasher out of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka Bra.
Maybe not. Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
Ok.
Check
Le
you
repas,
out,
non,
Max.
c'est bon.
Ready for the runway. Go downstairs and show Joyce. She'll love it.
Allez, on descend.
Oh my god, that smells so amazing. It's like when we were kids here.
Ok, petite photo. Oh, il est encore là lui, il est pas mort? C'est pas une semaine, il est en train de se balader dans la maison?
No way. That's the bluebird I saved Monday in Joyce's room. What's ironic is I always hated it when Chloe used my toothbrush.
Je comprends pas pourquoi je l'ai fait se laver les dents avant d'aller prendre le petit-déj, mais bon. Allez, on utilise tout ce qui est possible.
Feels so good to wash my face after all that chlorine.
Et tu peux pas te doucher?
And hiding.
Non? Non. C'est bon, on a fait toutes les actions possibles. Ok. Tac, tac, tac. On peut pas y aller. Allez, c'est parti, on descend. Salut, je veux des
Good morning,
pancakes.
Rachel, I mean Max. Whew, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly what you want to chow on.
Oh bah voilà. Ils sont
I'm
marqués.
dying for
Moi je
some
veux
of
des
your famous
pancakes aussi.
pancakes.
I thought you would have missed those. Ah, you ate more than William, and he loved them.
I remember. We would race each other to grab them from the stack.
So this time, you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk? No problemo. The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
Le lait.
Now for the mother's milk.
Et voilà.
Thanks. After all these years and everything that's happened, it's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too, Joyce, but...
We're on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe from Hollywood. Or wherever she is.
Rachat des ennuis.
I hate to even think this, much less say it out loud, but... I think Rachel is in serious trouble.
I know. I watch those awful true crime shows, and it makes me ill if I think about Rachel ending up on one. So I don't think too much.
I see why Chloe is so obsessed with finding her.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Peut-être.
Maybe. Rachel was so much cooler than me.
You think? Then why has Chloe been telling me she wishes she could be more like you over the past 5 years?
Doubt it. Did she really? 5 years ago feels like 1,000 now.
And that makes me what, a century old? You're only 18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
It's not all that, Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens. And a king. Go sit at the table.
Ouais, let's go. Elles sont un peu mortes ces plantes, hein.
Thank you so much, Joyce. I'm never leaving this table.
Good, you can clean.
Quoi? Elle finit pas? Qu'est-ce que je veux faire là? Je peux me lever? Non?
Oh man, I don't want to be... I'm glad that's creamy and not crunchy. I guess nobody waters the plant here.
Seeing you again, made me remember so much. I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max.
Ouais, le vibreur, il est super.
He's just not great at showing it.
I don't think I can rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Wowzer. I totally remember that day.
I'm glad. William took this picture with his instant camera. Oh, it was the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
I know, Joyce. I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive. Everything she's not.
Ah bah voilà, du coup dans Before the Storm, on le voit ça,
This was the
quand
last
on
time I
prend la
ever saw
photo.
Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys have a bonding session about how fucked up I am?
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please. It's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering, or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Geez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
No one can even joke with you, Chloe. You fly off the handle like that.
Excuse me, I have to use the bathroom.
Sure, run off and pee when you should back me up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
Eh ben,
I do need to get into David's computer. He's gotta be hiding shit.
ah oui, mais on avait déjà essayé, il fallait un code.
No shit, it needs a
Ouais, voilà.
password. How about step douche? Try again. I need more clues.
Ok, c'est parti pour chercher le code.
Maybe I could try stepdad for the password.
Ouais, peut-être. Mais ce qu'on va faire, c'est on va tout fouiller. D'abord.
Nothing to see here. Nothing in it. Naturally, David would. I can even see the combination. That might be a useful password.
Voilà.
There's no way Chloe can put that gun back now. Huh. Maybe this ID number might work. I could try the license number for the password.
Ok, un de plus.
Looks like David has read this a lot. What did he learn? David has been dragging his head around since 2001? Obviously, David's parents care about him. Cute. Can't picture David driving Joyce around with this on the car.
Ouais. Allez, on va fouiller son sac.
That's cute. Could be a password here. Even David Madsen might be an angel to somebody else. Joyce might as well have wrote "Let's get with it." Might be a useful password.
Et voilà, on a 40 000 mots de passe à tester maintenant. Perso, armée, famille. Famille. 2711. Mais non.
Score. Max the hacker strikes again.
Allez, du
Whoa.
premier coup.
Spoiler alert. Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank. Instead of stalking Kate, David could have helped her. This is so wrong. Ugh, creepy bastard. I better tell Chloe about this now. Ugh, it's just one more thing to make her sad. And mad.
Bon. Oh putain. Celle-là aussi, elle est morte. Alors. Salut Max, je voulais juste te remercier de te faire du souci pour ma mère et moi. On a tous vu comment tu t'es occupé de Kate quand tout le monde s'en foutait. Merci Taylor, je sais que t'es une fille bien. Si tu viens à la soirée, j'aimerais bien te relooker si ça te dit. Si j'y vais, j'adorerais me faire un maquillage à la Taylor. À plus. Et voilà, on est en train de lui voler ses potes à l'autre connasse en plus. Heureux de voir que t'as pas fait exploser Blackwell hier. Enfin, presque heureux. En fait, apparemment, tout le monde veut aller au drive-in. Alors, j'achèterai les billets. J'achète les billets maintenant, je te laisse t'occuper du popcorn. En d'autres termes, tu peux plus te dégonfler maintenant. C'est ok. Alors. Max, merci du fond du cœur d'être venu sur le toit pour moi. Tu es la seule qui était là pour moi à l'académie. La seule pour qui je comptais vraiment. Je crois vraiment que tu as été envoyé pour me donner de l'espoir. Tu en as fait tellement plus. Mon père aussi est reconnaissant. Tu seras toujours dans nos prières. Toute mon affection, ton ami Kate. Salut Kate, je suis content que tu es bien. Je viendrai te voir dès que je peux, promis. Aussi mignon. Allez, on se casse.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
I have to take a nap after writing up vandalism reports last night.
What happened?
Some little shit-ass punks broke into the swimming pool. This is what happens at these PC bullshit colleges. Entitled students taking over the campus.
Oh là là,
Do
il est
you know for
insupportable.
sure it was Blackwell students?
Who else would do it? And I'm gonna bust them. Figures you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
No. You and Chloe think you know more than anybody. Like all teenagers.
Leave Max alone, David. Stop threatening students.
He threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Prendre parti pour Chloé, évidemment.
You're a bully, David. I saw you harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even hit your stepdaughter. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
Chloe was doing drugs. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What? Is this true, Max? Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Oh. You're turning on me now, huh? Of course. Women always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David. Paid for and in my name. You know the law, right?
Oh, I thought I knew a lot of things. Like when I'm outflanked.
Have a nice day.
Chloe,
Et c'est
for
ciao.
once, just please shut up.
I hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
I don't want to see or hear you again, Max. You've hurt me and my family enough.
Ouais, bah, va te faire enculer, hein.
Max, don't beat yourself up. David earned this all by himself.
Oui, voilà.
Understand?
Allez.
Max, that gave me chills. And you better not rewind this one.
Allez, c'est parti. On se casse, non? Ouais.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and...
Chloe, I got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Now to
Ok,
find
ok,
a quick
ok.
and easy way to snag Frank's keys. Locked.
Bah oui, locked. Je m'en
What the
doutais.
hell is this?
Alors, j'espère... Non, ça c'est bon. Ouais, on s'en fout. Allez. Ouais, non. Il va falloir que j'aille à l'intérieur.
Good morning. How are the fish today?
Don't ask. First the snow, then an eclipse. What's next? A tornado?
I hope not.
Could be worse. We could get one of those California quakes.
True. Well, I'm feeling a little dizzy now. Hope you catch the big one today.
I better. Too late to switch careers now. See you around, kid.
Et force à toi, papy.
Good lord, bacon. I'm ready to nosh again. Oh, but I need to get those keys from Frank.
Je vais lui parler.
You show up after almost shooting me? You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns and dressing like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. The fuck do you want?
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. Aiming a gun doesn't make you any sexier.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
In other words, Max, no keys. Maybe I could chat up that officer, or even Nathan, and then go all Groundhog Day on them until I...
Ok. Ok, officiellement c'est complet, mais j'ai réussi à mettre la main sur 2 billets pour nous. Je vais me battre avec une dizaine de mecs, c'est nerd.
get the info I need.
Est-ce qu'en soi, si je
You
regarde
eat
juste
like
pas,
a pig. Try the floor.
I was eating those beans. Are you fucking insane? I was eating those beans!
Ça a pas fait tomber les clés de sa poche, ça. Et si...
I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Ouais, non, définitivement, ça ne servait à rien. Mais c'est marrant. D'ailleurs, on va remonter pour faire genre on lui a jamais parlé. Yep, les...
There she is, Super Maxine. That's your new nickname around the bay. Sorry, but you did earn it. We're all real proud of you for helping Kate down.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I was just lucky. And right on time. Kate is who counts.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
Ouais, ça fait beaucoup, hein. Allez.
Do you think Arcadia Bay is a weird town?
I'd take a normal city with normal problems about now. Makes me sick thinking about it.
I feel like David Madsen represents Blackwell.
Not for long. He's a loose cannon. We all respect him for his service, but he's too eager.
He's eager to be a dick to me and Chloe.
That's true. He was ranting about a stolen gun, then I tuned out. Somebody's always out to get him. What can I do for you, Max?
I guess Kate Marsh will be the face of Blackwell for a while.
And you for helping her. That's the kind of school spirit we need more of.
I thought Nathan Prescott represents Blackwell.
Well, don't make me backwash this bacon. You know what the Prescotts represent.
Taking over Arcadia Bay?
You're not far wrong, Max. I heard the Prescotts are working on some new big land deals. Mr. Prescott helped out my family once a while ago, so I made a deal with him that I can't seem to get out of. Man, if I could get one instant replay in life. I better finish my breakfast first.
Ok. Oh tiens.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look, Max Amber. Is that your punk rock girl outfit? That was classic watching you turn on your everyday hero Jefferson yesterday.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
No worries, because you're the one trying to fake it till you make it. At least you were smart enough to keep your big mouth shut in the principal's office.
I bet you hoped that Kate Marsh would stay quiet.
Idiot says what?
Did you drug her?
You are so stupid, Max. You think you're so goddamn smart, too. Don't push me, girl. You don't want me for an enemy, understand? Do you?
Calm down, dude. We're in the diner.
Right. Plus, you're an adult now. I can sue your dumbass for libel. Thanks. Now fuck off, Dyke. Holy shit, what do you want now?
On va lui faire tous les sujets.
Listen, Nathan. I'll take back everything I said about you. If you hook me up with Frank. Know what I mean?
You look like you've never even taken a hit of baby aspirin.
How do you think I stay wired all night studying? So is it a deal or not?
Calm down, hard up. Deal. You'll get your school supplies. Just go over to Frank and whisper higher education. You'll hook your ass up.
Try interrogating some.
Holy shit, what?
Your sugar daddy will always protect you and threaten me.
You don't know shit about my father or me. Nobody here does.
Then tell me what I should know.
Why? So you can pretend to care? Spoiler alert, he's an asshole.
Maybe I could help you.
I don't need you for anything except to stay out of my fucking business, understand? Now get out of my face.
Est-ce qu'il reste encore un truc? Ouais.
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own. More than me.
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
Ok. Bon, on va tout rembobiner du coup. On ne s'est jamais parlé. Ok. On a toutes les infos. Non, je peux plus lui parler. Ok. Oh, il y a Bambi. On m'avait dit d'aller parler aux flics.
There she is.
Thanks, Officer Britt.
I'm glad.
Ah.
Nathan said that Rachel Amber represents Blackwell. With Frank Bowers.
Bowers ain't no student anymore. Sadly, he does represent one side of Arcadia Bay. I want you to stay out of his orbit, okay? Him and that rabid mutt.
I heard something about Frank Bowers and his puppy. My boy does love his dog.
Especially when the dog is your personal drooling bodyguard. You can bet he trained that poor thing on blood.
Gross. I wouldn't bet. Where did he get the pup?
Frank used to bet on dog fights. Now, to his credit, he had a revelation. He saved a bunch of the dogs, kept one for himself. He's still a creep. You and that Chloe stay away, right?
Ok.
What can I do for you, man?
Il aime trop son chien.
Well, I heard a rumor you were working for the Prescott family on the side.
Jesus, doesn't this town ever shut up?
I don't blame you for getting extra work.
Look, sometimes I check up on the Prescott family to make sure they're doing all right. Nathan included. Keep this quiet, Max.
Oh, bah dis donc, ça en fait des infos.
I heard your dad hired a local cop to keep an eye out on you and Frank Bowers. Like a babysitter.
Bullshit. My dad doesn't hire. He owns. and these pigs know better than to narc on me.
Do they? I hope that means Frank won't get busted.
Eventually, he will. Guy's into some freaky shit. He told me once he took a weird blood oath for Rachel. Forget I told you that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut.
Allez, on remonte tout ça. Il nous l'a jamais dit. Et est-ce qu'on a autre chose? Ah, nickel.
Weren't you supposed to keep your mouth shut about the blood oath Frank took for Rachel?
Blood oath? What the fuck? I never told anybody about that freaky shit. Besides, everybody knows Frank is a liar and a loser. Even Rachel did.
Yet Rachel Amber hung out with him more than you.
So, Rachel wanted Frank's stash. She let him take pictures, then he carries around her photo like she posed for love. Dumbass.
Alors, on va voir si s'il a encore quelque chose à nous dire. Ok.
Shit.
Thanks, officer.
I'm glad.
Non. Bon, bah, je pense qu'on a de quoi lui prendre ses clés maintenant. Alors, on va commencer par son chien.
You act so scary, but you did save all those dogs.
One, I'm not acting. Two, who told you about the dogs?
It's actually a great story. You're an animal lover. Could I pet the doggy? I could go grab him from your RV right now.
I won't even let you pick up the dog shit. Besides, you don't want a leash. You want these keys right here. Look at your eyes dilate. You're worse than a junkie, Max. But no fix for you.
Bah c'est bon, on a juste à les prendre maintenant.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
You did not just do that. Give me back my keys, bitch. Give me my keys now.
Bah qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Ok.
Key brought.
Bah j'ai quand
My
même
work
envie
here
de
is done here, Frank. My
parler
work
pour...
here is
Mais
done
quoi?
here, Frank.
Non, j'aurais pas dû les prendre, je voulais
My work
savoir...
here is done here, Frank.
Fais chier. Je voulais savoir ce qu'il avait à dire sur les autres trucs. Ouais, voilà. Elle, à chaque fois qu'elle est là, c'était sûr. À chaque fois qu'elle est là, il lui arrive un truc.
Alyssa, watch out! Quick thinking, Max.
Mais ouais, mais je sais, mais c'est terrible. Pas de chance dans la vie. Ok. On rentre. Ah non, faut parler à...
I should have known. The amazing Spider Max.
I couldn't have done it without Frank. Now let's get in and out.
You'll need this, Max. On your mark, get set. Throw!
Bah bien sûr que je vais pas le jeter sur la route.
Get the treat, boy.
C'est des malades.
I think we just
Vous
made that
voulez que je
dog
crève
our
le chien?
bitch. Get it?
Now we
C'est
can
des fous.
snoop in peace. But let's not waste time. The
Mais
doggy
quel-
is busy now, but he might come back.
Mais je m'en fous qu'il pourrait revenir. Elle voulait que je fasse buter le chien. C'est une dinguerie. Bon, allez.
Damn, I thought my room was a shithole.
You're not a creepy drug dealer.
Frank has issues, but he's not creepy. At least I didn't think so until I saw him with Rachel's bracelet. Oh, we could cruise everywhere in this bad boy! Can you see us heading down the coast to Big Sur and beyond?
Yes, we'd be tearing up the highway. And you'd probably want me to kiss you again. Chloe, we're on a schedule. We need clues about Rachel.
I know. Just daydreaming.
Allez, on fouille.
You scope
Zip,
the area
nada,
while I
nothing.
hack his computer for info.
Frank is almost a made-for-TV hoarder. I think the dog he likes is... Can't quite picture Frank and Chloe. That would be so cool to take this baby on the road with Chloe. Frank must have a reason to keep a police radar nearby.
Pom pom pom.
I doubt Frank is trying out for the archetypal filthy guy dishes. Good to know Frank has a knife lying around. No prize here.
Ok.
Of course Frank gets the munchies. Frank must spend all his drug money on baggies. Nice rig. Glad Frank treats something here with respect. How can somebody live like this? Too bad I don't have my Frank Bowers decoder ring. Are these for Frank, or is he selling them? Or both?
Wi-Fi out here. Let's
That's a pretty extreme lighter.
Rien d'intéressant pour l'instant. Faut un tournevis.
Okay, this vent is loose. I need something to pry it open. Ooh, Frank's stash. No more secrets.
Ok.
That's almost cute to see Frank posing with his dog.
Là, pareil, il va falloir un tournevis, je pense, pour l'ouvrir.
What the hell is he doing with that dog?
Stop it.
Y'a rien là. Y'a plus rien.
I could pry
Ouais.
this vent open with the right tool.
Il faut que je trouve un tournevis ou une connerie. Comme ça. Bah, le couteau, bah ouais.
This is almost as good as a set of keys.
Bah ouais, bah ouais.
My blade will open any portal.
Tiens, tiens, tiens.
Oh man, Rachel and Frank's dog. I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed. I'm glad Rachel got to drive this beast. Rachel really did hang out with Frank. I'm learning more about Rachel than I want to know. Trouble in paradise.
Ok. Ah aussi. Revenir en arrière. Cette grille n'a jamais été ouverte. Et donc celle-là, je peux pas l'ouvrir maintenant?
I cannot believe he would
Mais
wear a
c'est
collar
trop.
for
Bon
that.
bah peut-être que c'est parce que il y avait rien dans celle-là.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank. Or wrote him love letters. I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years. My mother gloms onto stepfucker. Now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Chloe!
Elle a failli tuer 2 personnes là.
Chloe, you can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
I gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
C'est la faute de personne.
It's just life. Shit happens. It's nobody's fault. Blah, 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 as Mr. Jefferson would say. And Kate Marsh.
Yes, Kate Marsh almost killed herself. Such sad, okay? That doesn't make me feel any better about my fucked up life. Get it?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
You blame William? Really?
Yes, I do. Damn right. He chose to go out that door and leave me forever.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes, even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to wait for your father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
Je suis toujours là.
You don't want to hear this, but you're still here. Alive. With me. And that is no accident.
You're right. I don't want to hear this.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
Je pense que j'ai pas tardé à... Oh quoi?
Oh my god.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
What
J'ai
is
pas tardé
happening now?
à finir le chapitre normalement, non? J'en suis à combien? 1:40. Ouais, je crois que les chapitres c'est à peu près 2 heures et quelques. Ouais, ça va. Alors, faut que je fasse la mise au point.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him. Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just... Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, Chloe. Give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
Well, I might just allow this one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William is
Pancakes,
here.
Daddy.
Yes,
And
we can't expect
Chloe
your
is just a
mother to rush
kid.
home and serve us slackers.
Am I
Who
that
likes to
far
have
back in
crepes?
time?
You mean pancakes?
In France, they call them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
And a good
old
French
inside my
chef needs his
13-year-old
assistance
self.
If you want to eat
How?
breakfast.
I volunteer to break the eggs.
Do you remember how
okay.
many eggs?
Mom said it depends.
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook here.
I am when your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
On se laisse un petit message. Ouais, voilà. Oula, bizarre dehors.
Hello? Hey, honey. Just making
Ok,
a fabulous
bon, y a
breakfast
rien
with Chloe
de...
and Max. We're all going
rien
to
de
work at the
fou.
Two Whales.
On va pas aller par là-bas.
What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you.
I have to stop William from taking his car
Excuse me,
today.
ladies, I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Il cherche ses clés. Faut trouver ses clés avant lui. Bah, je pense que ça doit être là. Hein.
What a mess we made. I remember those cool drawings I did with
Can't
Chloe.
hide from me forever. Queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
Ils sont sur la
Score.
casquette.
For that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Est-ce qu'on doit vraiment les cacher? On peut pas les garder sur soi?
Shit, where are those keys?
Another $1 for the swear jar.
You're bankrupting me. Max, this is not the best time for a prank. Keys, please.
I was just, are you sure Joyce is ready? Let's just wait. Sorry. Here.
I'll get you back someday.
Ok, bah on les jette, hein, s'il y a un truc qui sonne.
And no Chloe and Max wine
Ah, on
tasting
peut pas
session.
revenir en arrière!
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Ah si, bah il faut même. Ok. Oh, on va sauver son daron.
Crap. I need to hide the keys where William won't hear his dumb beeper.
Et hop. Plus de clés.
I know I had those keys right here. I know it. Forgot all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course. Last time I ordered from Spy Guy Electronics.
You can take the bus, right? The stop is right down the street.
This I can do. Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop. Joyce will love this.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Et du coup, ça change tout le futur là.
Dude, the service fee is like 50% of
Hello, are you even listening, Maxine?
All my friends in LA told me that Oregon was going to be
Max.
wet and cold every day. But
Never
it's like
Maxine.
75
So that's
degrees
why
and
she
I
was
haven't seen the
laughing so
rain
hard.
once.
I know, sorry, Mad
Is that
Max.
climate change?
You're not pissed at me, right? Right?
No, it's people in Oregon.
Do you want to go
trying
hit the
keep
girls' potty and smoke a
Californians
peace
out.
pipe?
I think Max is high.
She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like, whatever, bitch.
Warren, he hooked up with Stella? Oh no, this is totally fucked up. What else have I changed? Chloe.
Ah, il est conducteur de bus lui, tiens. Bon, du coup là je suppose qu'on va à la maison de Chloé. C'est quoi? C'est... Ah, c'est des baleines.
Max Caulfield. Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
No. I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of, I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on. Chloe! You have a visitor!
Ah. Ah oui. Et ouais, forcément, si elle change le futur. Oh bah voilà déjà. Putain, je pensais pas qu'il... Ok. Je pensais qu'il restait encore un peu avant qu'il se termine. Et bah ça y est, fin de l'épisode 3. C'est cool. Vas-y, je vais aller voir du coup si ça joue ou pas après. Alors, du coup, vous avez laissé l'argent, vous avez embrassé Chloé, vous avez pris parti pour Chloé. Ok, vous avez dénoncé Nathan, nanana. Ok, ah oui, non, mais ça c'est sur les autres chapitres. Ah, j'ai pas prévu. Il y avait un truc à faire là. Lisa est en vie, Lisa est morte. Qui est Lisa? On pouvait aider Warren pour son examen. Ok, il y a quelques trucs que j'ai passé, que j'ai pas vu. Ok, let's go. Ok, prochain épisode, Dark Room, et je crois que c'est le dernier ou l'avant-dernier. Ça va être sympa, là je crois que... Ouais, ça va être sympa. Et ben c'est une fin de live, je vais sûrement relancer le live après, mais sur un autre jeu. Mais pour l'instant, c'est la fin.